The idea is to build something like this. I am planning to make the hull form out of styrofoam and then laminate the outside of the form with fiberglass fabric. I bought everything I needed for the hull. At least I thought I did. The first step is to cut out the piece that will then be shaped into a hull. I bought this saw that I thought would be good for cutting styrofoam. It didn't cost much, so I thought it might be worth a try. Here I have measured and marked where I will cut. I haven't checked the dimensions on any drawing. I simply cut out a piece that I think will be the right size. Okay, let's test the saw. I quickly noticed that it wasn't that easy to saw with. It gets stuck quite easily. I also tried using a knife. That wasn't exactly easy either. Anyway, I finally managed to cut my piece out. What happened, however, was that I managed to remove an extra piece of the styrofoam because I wasn't careful enough at the end. This is what the piece I cut off looks like. As you can see, the surface where I cut is very rough. At this point, I'm starting to feel very unsure about whether this will work or not. I still choose to continue with my styrofoam piece, and here I begin to mark out the shape of the boat's bow. Here too, I draw completely freehand without any drawing dimensions. Here we can see the result after today's work. It remains to be seen if it is possible to use this cheap styrofoam for a project like this. One thing I know for sure is that the work also requires cleaning afterwards. In the next episode, I will continue trying to create a hull form from this piece of styrofoam. If that doesn't work, I will simply have to order some styrofoam that is intended for hobby projects. The styrofoam I have worked with in this video is from the local hardware store. Stay tuned for the next episode.